In this video, I'll show you how to export Figma to PDF. Start by opening Figma and selecting the project you want to export. Make sure your design is complete and ready before exporting. Next, choose the layers or frames that you want to export as a PDF. You can click directly on the canvas or select them from the Layers panel on the left. Once selected, go to the right-hand panel and scroll down to the Export section. Click on the drop-down menu and change the file format to PDF. After that, click the Export button. Figma will process your file and prepare it for download. A prompt will appear asking where you want to save the file. Choose your preferred location on your computer, then confirm to complete the export. And that's it. Your design is now saved as a PDF file. And that's it. Your design is now fully exported and saved as a high-quality PDF file, which you can easily share with others, send to clients for review, include in presentations, or use for printing whenever needed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.